20 thoughts. Character is a destiny. Time is money. Hope is walking dream. Kindness costs nothing. Health is wealth. Life is a journey, not a race. Honesty is the best policy. Experience is beauty. A winner never stops trying. Patience is the plaster for all sores. Haste makes waste. Nothing is impossible. Fortune favors the brave. Believe in the power of your dreams. Never have a resistance to change. No wisdom like a silence. Every man is the creature of his own fortune. Well beginning is the half done. The pain is the mightier than sword. Education prepare you for the future.